Hello friends, welcome to Affairs Cloud. We learn to lead. My name is Vikas. So friends, in this video we will be discussing about some of the most important current affairs of the topic awards of July month. This video will be very helpful to you, so do watch the video till the end, hit the like button and share the link of this video with your friends. So friends, we'll start with the session, but before that we have something important to tell you about. We have an app by the name Careers Cloud which you can go and download through the Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you will open the app and you'll see this type of screen. In this, you can go and log in with your Google account, that is your Gmail ID. Then once you have logged in, then you will be moved to this page where you can see a window. If you click on the current affairs section here, then you will be moved to this page. Now this is where magic happens. This is the course where there are two courses provided by us. First, you should know it is of 1 year and 2 years, so choose your course accordingly. What we are providing and what is the reason behind that you should purchase course of current affairs from us, and what are the important details about it. First thing, you should know that we provide you current affairs in both English and Hindi. Okay, also we provide you here current affairs daily. PDFs are provided daily. The important factor here to remember is we are providing PDF to you daily. Okay, that contains question answers of the daily current affairs. They are explained in a much easy way where you can grasp the knowledge and do your revision. Okay, apart from app, we provide you with question answers. Then on every day we provide you 20 question answers quiz, daily 20 questions quiz. So imagine how much it will benefit you in your preparation. Then we provide you same thing for weekly. In weekly we take a quiz of 50 questions. Then question answers of week, we provide you a book. PDF is provided you weekly of the compiled questions of the whole week. Similarly for monthly also, ebook is given, your quizzes are taken, question answers PDF. Then apart from it, we also help you to prepare for banking papers. All the banking exams you can go refer to our videos and our courses here. You can see here the we provide you banking and economic quiz of 157 questions. Okay, then topic wise PDFs are covered. As you can see, we are making videos on indexes and reports, important days, the books and authors, all the events that are taking place in individual months. So these PDFs are provided to you and they will help you a lot in your preparation for journal awareness, your journal studies, as well as for current affairs. Then you can see we also provide you current affairs for state wise current affairs are provided to you. Apart from this, I have a gift for all of my friends here. If you use my code Vikas10, you will be getting a straight 10% discount on the purchase you make. So when you are about to check out and do the payment, just before the payment, you will be getting an option to use the promo code. There you can put the Vikas10, the code, and you will be getting an extra 10% discount on the total purchase you make there. So let's start with our video. So friends, let's start. First is BKS award. What is your BKS? BKS is your Bahrain Kerala Samajam Literacy Award for the year 2021. Who has been awarded with this Bahrain Kerala Samajam Award? He is journalist Om Cherry NN Pillai has been honored with the BKS Literacy Award. Malayalam journalist, playwright, novelist and a poet Om Cherry NN Pillai have been honored with the Bahrain Kerala Samajam BKS Literacy Award for the year 2021 for his contribution to the Malayalam language and literature. Question can be asked. Om Cherry NN Pillai, who has been honored with BKS Literacy Award, is related to which language or has shown his contribution to the literature of which language? So it is your Malayalam language. NN Pillai hails from Kottayam, Kerala. The award constitutes a prize of 50,000 rupees and a citation. Next. 3 Delhi students have won Diana Award 2021 for their contribution toward COVID-19. Alright. Kaif Ali, student of Jamia Millia Islamia, Sana Mitar from the University of Warwick and Devanshi Ranjan from the Lady Shri Ram College has won the Diana Award Roll of Honor for their contribution to society during COVID-19 pandemic. So 3 names: Kaif Ali from Jamia Millia Islamia. Next is your Divyanshi Ranjan from Lady Shriram College, and Sana Mittar is from the University of Warwick. The Diana Award is established in the memory of Diana, the Princess of Wales, and is given out by the charity named Diana Award. It is supported by her sons William, the Duke of Cambridge, and Harry, the Duke of Sussex. Alright, do remember the three names of these women. Next we'll be talking about, do remember two names, Bala Devi and Manisha Kalyan are the winners of the All India Football Federation Awards. Alright, they are the winners of the annual All India Football Federation Award. Who are they? Bala Devi and Manisha Kalyan. Let's look at the data. Indian women football team forward Bala Devi, who is from Manipur, and Indian men's football team defender Sandesh Jhingan, who is from Chhattisgarh, has been named as the Women Footballer of the Year 2021 and the Main Footballer Year of the 2020-2021 at the annual All India Football Federation Award 2021 to 2022. This is the third time for Bala Devi to receive the honor. Previously, she received the award in 2014 and 15. Bala Devi is playing for the Rangers Women Football in Scotland. She is the first Indian women footballer to sign a professional contract in Europe. Alright, these are the two names, do remember. Apart from this, you need to remember, if the question is asked, who is the women footballer for the year? Women Footballer of the Year 2020 to 2021. Who is she? She is Bala Devi. And if we are talking about the Men's Women Footballer of the Year 2020 to 2021, he is Sandesh Jhingan. Alright, and Bala Devi is playing for which football club? She is playing for Rangers Women Football Club in Scotland, and she has become the first women footballer to sign a professional contract in Europe. Next is hockey stalwart Ashok Kumar has won the Mohan Bagan Lifetime Achievement Award. First of all, you need to know what Mohan Bagan Lifetime Achievement Award is. This is basically to celebrate as the Mohan Bagan Day, commemorating their victory against East Yorkshire Regiment 2-1 in 1991 Indian Football Association Shield, becoming the first Indian club to defeat British. Alright, in order to remember that club, in their memory, this day, that is the 29th of July, is observed as the Mohan Bagan Day. So, the 17-year-old legendary hockey player Ashok Kumar, who was a key player of the 1975 World Cup winning Indian hockey team, has honored the Lifetime Achievement Award by the Kolkata-based football club, that is Mohan Bagan Athletic Club, on its foundation day over the virtual ceremony. So 2 through 3 things you need to remember. First, where is the headquarter, or where is this Mohan Bagan Athletic Club located? It is located in Kolkata. They recently gave this Lifetime Achievement Award to whom? They gave it to Ashok Kumar. Then it can be asked, when is the Mohan Bagan Day observed? It is observed on 29th of July every year. Alright. As you can see him in the picture, he is Ashok Kumar. Next we'll be talking about Mohan Bagan Day. This day is, first of all, you should know, it is observed on 29th of July every year. Mohan Bagan Day. Alright, Mohan Bagan is a football club that is located in Kolkata. Alright, they are the organization, or they are the football club that gives this honor, that is Mohan Bagan Award. This year, Shivaji Banerjee has been awarded, or has been recognized, or he has been awarded with this Mohan Bagan Award. Alright, then Mohan Bagan Ratna posthumously. What does this posthumously signifies? This signifies that when posthumously is written in front of any award, that means this award is given to the person who has been recently died. Alright, who is no more. So Mohan Bagan Ratna posthumously is given to late Shivaji Banerjee, who was a football player. Alright, and another thing, remember, when is the Mohan Bagan Award observed, or Mohan Bagan Day observed? It is observed on 29th of July. Where is the headquarter of this football club? This is in Kolkata. If we look at the data, former goalkeeper of the Indian football team, late Shivaji Banerjee, as I said, he has passed away, who has played for the Mohan Bagan Athletic Club, which is in Kolkata, West Bengal, for more than a decade, will be honored with the Mohan Bagan Ratna Award 2021 posthumously. That means he has been honored with this award after his death at the Mohan Bagan Day, which is celebrated on 29th of July. He is well known for stopping the free kick taken by the Brazilian football Pele during the 1977 exhibition match against New York Cosmos held in the Eden Gardens, Kolkata, West Bengal. After retirement, he has served on the technical committee of Mohun Bagan. Mohun Bagan Award. First of all, let's look at the Best Footballer Award 2021 will be given to Roy Krishna from Fijian footballer and the captain of the ATK Mohun Bagan in the Indian Super League for his performance in the ISL 2021 season. He won the ISL Golden Ball for 2020 to 2021 also, Roy Krishna. Then if we talk about the Best Cricketer Award 2021 will be given to the Bengal skipper Abhimanyu Eswaran, who helped Mohun Bagan to win the Cricket Association of Bengal First Division One Day Tournament. Then Best Athlete Award for the 2021 will be given to the athlete of hurdles and high jump, and he is Bidisha Kundu, who won the 100-meter hurdles and high jump in the national championship. Remember, Bidisha is a woman. Bidisha Kundu. Alright, she won the 100-meter hurdles and the high jump in the national championship. Moving on. Next is your RK Sabharwal has been awarded with the Order of the Polar Star. Important question. The Order of the Polar Star Award has been given to whom? He is RK Sabharwal, and this award, that is the Order of Polar Star, is the highest civilian award of the Mongolia. Question can be asked in a different way, that what is the highest civilian award of the Mongolia? It is the Order of Polar Star, and this award has been given to whom? RK Sabharwal. The chairman and managing director of Engineers India Limited, RK Sabharwal, was honored with the highest civilian award of Mongolia, the Order of the Polar Star. He was honored with the prestigious award for his contribution towards the construction of Mongolia's first ever oil refinery. Alright, next. Invest India awarded as world's most innovative investment promotion agency of 2021. Mark this question. Invest India, which is the organization that was the world's most innovative investment promotion agency for the year 2021? It was your Invest India. Do remember this. Alright, and it was declared by whom? It was declared by the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, declared Invest India as the winner of the 2020 United Nations Investment Promotion Award. Next, Odia poet Rajendra Kishore Panda has been chosen for the Kuvempu Award. Alright, for the Kuvempu Award. Question can be asked, who has been honored with the Kuvempu Award for the year 2021? He is Rajendra Kishore Panda. Rajendra Kishore Panda is related to which language, or he is a poet of in which language? He is Odia poet. Alright, and he belongs from which state? If he is Odia poet, he belongs from Odisha only. A poet and novelist from Odisha, Dr. Rajendra Kishore Panda, has been honored with the Kuvempu Rashtriya Puraskar for the year 2020. His name was finalized by a 3-member committee comprising Kannada poet Dr. H.S. Shivprakash, Agra Krishnamurthy, former secretary of Central Sahitya Academy, and Bengali author Shamlal Bhattacharya. The committee met under the chairmanship of Professor Hampa Nagarjha. If we talk about the Kuvempu Rashtriya Puraskar, this was instituted in the year 2003 by the Rashtrakavi Kempu Trust. The award is given annually to a writer who has contributed in any of the languages recognized by the Constitution of India. The award carries a cash prize of 5 lakh rupees, a silver medal, and a citation. Who has won the Kuvempu Rashtriya Puraskar for the year 2020? He is Rajendra Kishore Panda, and he is a Odisha. He belongs from which state? He belongs from Odisha, and he is a Odia poet. Alright. Next is 2021 Airline of the Year Award is given to Korean Air by ATW. What is ATW? ATW is your Air Transport World. So Korean Air of South Korea has been selected as the 2021 Airline of the Year by the ATW, that is Air Transport World. It is also called the Oscar in the aviation industry. This award, that is the 2021 Airline of the Year Award, is known as the Oscar in the aviation industry. It was awarded the Oscar for managing the situation under COVID-19 effectively. The award ceremony is set to be held on 5th of October 2021 in USA. Started in 1974, this award, that is 2020 Airline of the Year or Oscar in the aviation industry, this award was started in 1974. The year 2021 is the 47th edition of this Airline of the Year award. Alright, next we'll be talking about prestigious Humboldt Research Award. This Humboldt Research Award has been awarded to Indian economist Kaushik Basu. As you can see him in the picture, he is Kaushik Basu and he has been honored with the prestigious Humboldt Research Award. Indian economist Kaushik Basu has been honored with the Humboldt Research for Economics for the year 2021. It can be asked, Kaushik Basu is related to which subject that he has been honored with Humboldt Research Award? He is an economist, so he is related to economics by the Alexander von Humboldt Foundation. Who gives this Humboldt Research Award? It is given by the Alexander von Humboldt Foundation that is based in Germany. Then Professor Dr. Hans Bernhard Schaffer of Bucerius Law School in Hamburg, Germany nominated the Kaushik Basu for this award. Kaushik Basu is said to use this award to do research on moral philosophy and game theory and on law and economics. If we talk about the Humboldt Research Award, this award is sponsored by the Alexander von Humboldt Foundation and annually it is presented to more than 100 recipients. The award recognizes and honors scientists and economists from across the world for their work. The award carries prize money of 60,000 euros. The award also offers the recipient to carry out research project at a scientific institute in Germany for a period of 6 to 12 months. So Kaushik Basu has been honored with the prestigious Humboldt Research Award, which is given by Alexander von Humboldt Foundation, that is of Germany. Next, two Indian organizations that are Adhamilai Pazrungudiyar Producer Company Limited and your Sneha Kunja Trust has won the UNDP Equator Prize 2021. Adhamilai Producer Company Limited and your Sneha Kunj Trust, they both are the Indian organization and they both have won United Nations Development Program Equator Prize for the year 2021. Two communities or two founder organization, Adhamilai Producer Company Limited and your Sneha Kunj Trust, they both have won the UNDP Equator Prize for the year 2021 for their exceptional achievement in the showcasing local innovative nature-based solutions for tackling biodiversity loss and climate change and achieving their local development goals. Equator Prize 2021 was awarded to 10 stabilizing indigenous and local solutions. The winners were selected from 126 nations. Each received a prize of 10,000 US dollar and the opportunity to join a series of special virtual events associated with the United Nations General Assembly, the Nature for Life Hub and the UN Food System Summit later in 2021. The virtual award ceremony was scheduled to be held on 4th of October 2021. If we talk about the Equator Prize, this is given by UNDP. It is an organized by the Equator Initiative within the UNDP. It is awarded biennially. Biennially means that this award is given twice in a year to recognize outstanding community efforts to reduce poverty through the conservation and sustainable use of biodiversity. Partners of the Equator Initiative include the governments of Norway, Germany and Sweden, UNEP, USAID, WWF and the Convention of Biological Diversity, Eco Agriculture Partners, etc. Alright, coming back to important name that you need to remember is the name of these two organizations, Adhamilai Producer Company Limited and your Sneha Kunj Trust. They both have won Equator Prize of the UNDP, that is your United Nations Development Program. Alright. Next we'll be talking about Norman Borlaug National Award given by ICAR. Kajal Chakraborty, as you can see him in the picture, Kajal Chakraborty has won the Norman Borlaug National Award for the year 2020. Alright, let's look at it. Kajal Chakraborty, who is a principal scientist, Marine Biotechnology Division of the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute in Kochi, has been honored with the ICAR Norman Borlaug Award for the year 2021, the National Award for Excellence in Agriculture. The award carries a cash prize of 10 lakh rupees, a memento and a certificate of citation and a research constituency grant of 30 lakh per year for carrying out challenges research project. If we talk about this ICAR Award 2020, Narendra Singh Tomar, the Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, announced the ICAR Award 2020 under 16 categories during the virtual event that marked the 93 Foundation Day of ICAR. 60 awardees under 16 different categories comprises 4 institutions, 1 All India Coordinated Research Project, 4 Krishi Vigyan Kendras, 39 scientists, 11 farmers. 12 among the 50 awarded persons were women. Alright, who is Norman Borlaug? He is also known as the father of Green Revolution. Alright, do remember, father of Green Revolution is Norman Borlaug. Next, Vice Admiral Vinay Bhadwar honored with the Alexander Dalrymple Award. Indian Chief Hydrographer Vice Admiral Vinay Bhadwar was honored with the Alexander Dalrymple Award, a top award of the United Kingdom. For his distinguished contribution towards hydrography, he was listed for the award in 2019, but the award ceremony was delayed due to COVID-19 pandemic. The Alexander Dalrymple Award is conferred since 2006 to honor the contribution of the first hydrographer Alexander Dalrymple. So do remember this year Vinay Bhadwar, who is the Vice Admiral, has been honored with the Alexander Dalrymple Award. This is given in the field of hydrography. Next, Assam's Kashar district won the Silver Scotch Award for Pushti Nirbhor. What is this? And let's look at it. Kashar, the district of Assam, or if it is asked which state won, it is your Assam has won the Silver Scotch Award under the health category at a national level for its Pushti Nirbhor project on transforming and developing Nutri gardens at houses in the Dinatpur Baichga village near the India-Bangladesh border in Kashar. Alright, this Kirthi Jalli, Deputy Commissioner Kashar, received the award. Alright, Pushti Nirbhor, a convergence project which aims to make the villages self-reliant through households Nutri gardens, which will also generate income during the COVID-19 pandemic. Next we'll be talking about Madhya Pradesh Satpura Tiger Reserves. Alright, has bagged the NatWest Earth Heroes Award for the year 2021. Let's look at it. The Satpura Tiger Reserve of the state Madhya Pradesh has won the NatWest Group Earth Heroes Award 2021 in the Earth Guardian category for the best management. Very important, do remember it. Alright, NatWest Earth Heroes Award, formerly known as the RBS Earth Heroes Award, take place annually since 2011. The award brings recognition and honor to the individuals and institutions who work exceptionally hard to preserve and protect our critical ecosystems. If we talk about the gist and the Satpura Tiger Reserve, this tiger reserve is located in the Hoshangabad district of Madhya Pradesh, that is the state of India, and it is a part of the Deccan Biographic Zone of India. It has placed in the tentative list of UNESCO's World Heritage Site. Alright, it can be asked which UNESCO's World Heritage Site list has been recently awarded with the Earth Heroes Award 2021 or the NatWest Group Earth Heroes Award 2021. It was your Satpura Tiger Reserve of Madhya Pradesh. Alright, next. Government of India has launched National Logistics Excellence Award. I repeat, Government of India has launched National Logistics Excellence Award. The Government of India has announced the launch of the National Logistics Excellence Award to appreciate the logistics services providers and to recognize the best practices in the logistics sector, including consolidations, process standardization, technological upgrade, digital transformation, and sustainable practices. The award will be presented in two categories: Logistics Service Provider Excellence Award and the Industry Excellence Awards. The winners of the award will be announced on 31st of October. The case studies of the best practices in the logistics will be showcased as a Logistic Excellence Gallery that will be hosted by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Next is very important. Do name of the person. He is Pramod Bhagat. He is a Paralympic shuttler and he has been named as the Differently Able Sports Person of the Year 2019. Very important question. Pramod Bhagat. He is related to which sport? He is related to badminton, and he has been named as the differently abled sports person of the year 2019. Very important, do take a note of it. All right. World number one para shuttler. Who is the world number one para shuttler? He is Pramod Bhagat, who was named as the differently able sports person of the year by Indian Sports Honors for 2019. This award was delayed due to COVID-19 and everything. So now he has been named as the world number one para shuttler. Pramod Bhagat is the differently able sports person of the year by Indian Sport Honor. If we talk about Indian Sports Honor, it is an annual award founded in 2017 by the RPSG Group and the Virat Kohli Foundation to recognize and honor the outstanding sports personalities of India. If we talk about Pramod Bhagat, he's a professional para badminton player from Odisha. Question can be asked, he belongs from which state? He belongs from Odisha. He has been ranked as the world number one in the para badminton men's singles. He won 2 gold medals and a bronze at a Dubai Para Badminton tournament in 2021. He will be participating in singles and mixed double events at the 16th Summer Paralympic Games, which are scheduled to be held in Tokyo, Japan between 24th of August and 5th of September. Alright, so he is Pramod Bhagat. So friends, this was our video. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you liked our video, do hit the like button, share the link with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel or if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe because it motivates us to bring a better content for you guys. Also, if you have any trouble regarding login or payment or any other issues, then you can reach to us on our mail, that is support@affairscloud.com, or you can call us on the number 9677333862 and we'll resolve your issue as soon as possible. Also, you should go and check our courses that are available at a very reasonable price and that will help you to boost your preparation.